Hello, hello. Today we have the third, I believe, installment of What's in the Box.
Oh, what's in the box?
This box is from Diamond Glitters and Gel Perfection, in case you didn't notice. And it contains all of the new spring colours. And this one as well, that came in its own little box. So I will be swatching those. However, I have 13 new colours and only 5 swatch sticks. So I've just ordered some more. I will pop them onto a wheel so that you can see them. And I will also be swatching a little surprise that came to me in my order. Freaking loads of foils. Woo! So I've got my label maker ready, which is redundant now because I haven't got the pop sticks, but I will probably print the labels out ready for when I do. So we will do some swatches and have a look at everything. On to the video. So we are starting with the colours. I went ahead and did the first coat so that you could see what it looks like after 2 coats. This is Tiffany. The colours are so opaque that they look the same after 1 coat that they do with 2, most of them, but just so you can see the final look of how they look when you do them on yourself or on a client. I'm doing it on this pop wheel thing that I don't like. I can't hold it properly and I just do a really crappy job of painting them, and I get it on ones next to it, but as I say, these aren't what I will be labelling for my clients to see. This is just to show you. So that was Tiffany, and then it was Dolly Daydream and Sorbet, and now Strawberry Bonbons. And I think I may have flash cured these as I went, just because I was not paying attention and then grabbing it by a wet polish, because I'm a wally. So this is Diamonds. It will be a great topper, obviously clear with silver glitter, hollow. You can put it over any colour, or you can do a few coats to get full coverage just by itself. This one is Sandcastles. Being an admin for the Diamond Glitters and Gel Perfection Facebook page, oh, bit of fluff. There is a group chat, and we have some naming sessions when Danielle orders some new colours. So some of the colours are names that I came up with, which is kind of cool. Oh, oh, I'm dying. So Sandcastles, I think, was one of my names. This one is Honeydew. And then that's my jumper. This one is Lilac Lace. I'm in my comfies, like most people are at the moment, slobbing around in trackies and a massively oversized hoodie. Look like E.T. This is Hot Lips. It's a little bit sheerer than the other colours, so you might want to do maybe 3 coats, or you could do 1 coat over a pink or a red, or try it on any colour really, for a nice shimmery effect. And Private Island, love this one. As you can see, the first coat is so opaque that it's pretty much the same as how it looks with the second coat. There's not many that don't look that opaque after 1 coat with Gel Perfection, but I always do 2 just for durability on clients and things. That was Lily Pad, and this is Wild Violet. No, it's not. No, it's not at all. It's Violet Vibes. Wild Violet is a colour that I used on something just now, so that's why that was in my brain. And the next one, Moonstone, which I think was one of my names as well. This is gorgeous. You could do 2 or 3 coats, or you could do, again, 1 coat as a topper over any colour. It would look really nice. 1 coat on any colour, add some shimmer. So they're having a cure. I'm not going to top coat them because I will be doing them on individual pop sticks for my display, well, for my clients to see, so I don't want to waste any top coat. This is just so you can see them They're all beautiful and spring-like, and I can't wait to use them on people. I miss people. So I also had these foils. So I'll give you a quick look at those. Lots of leopard print because that's super trendy at the moment. Lots and lots of leopard print. You can never have too many foils. They're so awesome. So these can be found on the website on diamondglitters.co.uk. On the drop down menu there's a transfer foil tab, and there's just hundreds and hundreds on there. This is just some of the newest ones, so there's loads more. I'm going to be using Foilet. I used to put a coat of colour sort of as close as I could get to the foil before doing the Foilet, but after using Foilet for a long time now, it works so perfectly that you don't need to put colour under it. And I don't under clear ones anyway, because I want to be able to show the clients what it will look like on top of other colours, which I think I might show you in a sec on here. Can't remember. It was a whole like 3 minutes ago that I did this, so my memory's not that good. So you can see there, perfect transfer, not a speck is missing. And yes, so that's so I can hold colours under it and clients can see what it's going to look like. So I've done, I filmed a few swatches, or a few doing these, not all of them because it's the same process over and over. 2 minutes in the lamp for Foilet. That's in an LED and I'm pretty sure in UV as well. But there are FAQs on the website if you wanted to double check. And then place the foil on it. It will stick to the foil the second you touch it. Look how perfect that transfer is. Ooh, perfect. Those scraggly bits at the top are because these pops have a really high arch at the back, so obviously a flat foil and a curved surface, but you can just sort of iron them out. Sorry, I've got a frog in my throat. You can just iron them out with your nail or something. And then I use a dry lint-free wipe just to rub over it. These are really cute. It has sweet written every so often to the sweet, not cute. Just rubbing over with the lint-free wipe and making sure it's all coming off. You'll see and you'll feel that it starts to lift off. I think this is the one that I must have not got gel down the bottom, but all was fine. So some more. Not really a great deal to say. I'm just doing the same thing, starting by pressing a straight line down the center and then working outwards from the center out to avoid any creases, and you get perfect coverage. I think there was a couple that I missed a bit off the bottom with the gel. Bam! Just showing you the underside that there's zero gaps whatsoever, so really don't need a colour under it. If I was doing it on a client, I think I would put maybe one coat of colour under, as similar colour as possible to the foil, just to add the strength of having, you know, the gel polish on, so that the durability is there. I didn't realise I'd filmed this many. I didn't think I did that many, but just let you watch. Get a look at the new goodies. Nail mail. I've been looking forward to this nail mail since I was that meme where you place the order and then go sit out by the front door. I wasn't actually, because I'm keeping away from people. But I've definitely been looking forward to it. Something happy amongst all this gruesome... Oh my goodness, can you hear my stomach? I haven't eaten today, have I? Nope. And it's 5:20. So I think this might be the last one I show you. It might not, I don't know. I can see the video going along at the bottom, but who knows what's coming up. Same thing. Foil it gel. Apply it like gel polish. Pop it in the lamp for 2 minutes. And rub your foil on. And peel it off. And then top with diamond gloss. So these have all been topped. These are the animal print ones. And I think I show the others as well. So there you go. Head on over and grab yourself a bargain. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed looking at them as much as I did. There's a reminder of the new colours. and subscribe to my channel for lots of videos using all these products. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next time. Bye bye.